why some field foods have a huge impact in your success. Welcome back. This is the question that I'm going to answer in today's video lesson. And today I will be referring to a fantastic book which I really encourage you to read. I'm going to give you that link just below this video, by Fritz Albert Popp. And Fritz Albert Popp is a biophysicist. Now he was interested how the light in plants impact our body on a cellular level. We all know about photosynthesis, and photosynthesis just uses very simple carbon dioxide and water molecules and converts them into glucose. Plants do that for us, and then those plants we eat. Now that light that is trapped at the same time in those plants, which is by the way referred as the photons, which is the basic unit of light, is going to be released according to Fritz Albert Popp in our system, which is going to start communicating with our DNA. Now, why is that so important with you? Very simple. Let me share an image with you. Now, if you look at the top image here, the top image is a leaf from a tree, and that is just freshly picked. And the second image is a leaf from a tree. This is ill and is already older, a couple of days old. Now below we see an image of the light emission of those two leaves. Mr. Popp found a machine where he was able to photograph the light emission, and this is what he's capable of doing. So the top leaf, which is fresh just from the tree, healthy and vibrant, produces really vibrant light. And the second leaf, which is ill and a couple of days old, very little, hardly any light. Do you see that? Now, how is this important to you with your diet and your food intake? Very simple. Think about following. The food that you're going to eat is going to communicate with you on a cellular level. And if you're going to read further into it, Mr. Popp explained to you how the communication from light has the same emission as healthy cells. And ill cells are going to submit much less light on plants, but also on a cellular level. Now, when you're going to eat food that is going to be processed, comes in a can, or is chemically altered, it changes the light emission. So we're receiving much less light energy in our system. And then he has even looked further into how organic food is different than conventional food. He has found that organic food has a much stronger light emission than conventional food. Now, if you take this a step further, and we're coming back to the leaf from the tree that is just freshly picked, and the other one which is a couple of days old, and the light emission, if you think about food that has been traveled from country to country, or from state to state, that is a long period. And even if this is salad, broccoli, cauliflowers, apples, whatever kind of fresh food it is, the question then really becomes, is it really fresh? And are you receiving all the nutrients that we need for our body to function on an optimum level? Now, I have a task for you. You started your food log already last week. I want you to take that food log and just look with the knowledge of light food that is going to communicate with you on a cellular level. How much fresh foods are you eating? Or is that all processed? Is it all cooked? Is it baked? So how much really raw foods do you eat, such as salads, broccoli, cauliflower, any kind of greens? And the second question that I want you to answer, where is it coming from? Is it coming from a different country that was traveled over miles and miles and miles and took days over days, or perhaps from the local environment? So those are the two things that I want you to do as soon you're done watching this video. All right, in today's lesson, I addressed why sun-filled food is going to make a huge difference in your success and how it's going to impact you on a cellular level. Bye.